How we doing, everybody, and welcome back to the Catalyst, where we break down all things bullish in the crypto markets. Today we had a couple days in a row actually of some solid growth kind of across all cryptos. Bitcoin recovered a bit, which kind of led the charge for everyone else. If you watched one of my previous videos, I kind of mentioned that it was time to buy. We had seen a pretty significant pullback across the entire market. So this is Chainlink. So just from here, we had about a 30% pullback from $38 or so all the way down to 26, and even wicking as low as 25.5. And I had made a video that it was probably a good time to jump in on that as we were approaching this trend line here. And it played out quite nicely so far anyways. We had a really strong green candle coming off of that, bouncing right off of this support. The RSI is still quite low, so there's plenty of room for us to continue. And we're even starting today with a bit of a green candle. It's a little indecisive right now with the wicks, but we will see kind of how it finishes off. So pretty cool for Chainlink there. I think we could see, us start to get back to where we previously were. It looks like we have this kind of horizontal resistance here that is key resistance for us. You've seen it in the past. As far as even back here, it was resistance, so support and resistance there. That's when we had our big dip. We tested it again as resistance, and then all the way back to here, we hit it twice again, and then we hit it a handful of times, about at the beginning of the month or so. So what we really need to do is break that resistance at like the 35 and really cleanly break it and break above it and start to test the new fib levels that are up higher, up in the 40 range, and that could be where Chainlink is potentially going in the not too distant future, in the next month or so, I would say. So what's likely to happen, at least based off of this, so we have this kind of pattern here. The thing that's nice about it is it's getting more and more consolidated, so we could see something like this. And then that could be kind of the moment where we break out. So we could retest this once more in the $35 range, come back and settle at 30 again or something close to that before we continue breaking. This we could kind of rattle in here, for a couple weeks. It's quite possible. Chainlink is a little slow moving compared to other cryptos, so keep that in mind. But I think, anytime you can buy on this support line here, I think that's a good buy. So you have a potential buy now, or a few days ago would have been ideal. Look for us to, if we see some resistance here, that could be a good sell point just for some quick swing gains. You're going to go from potentially, so where we're at about now, that's a 20% gain if we hit that. So you could make some trades after that, and then reconsolidate and reaccumulate back when we pull back a bit. But what you want to be careful of is if we do flip past this and then find support, we could be going for the moon after that potentially. So that is what we got today for Chainlink. One of the favorite projects of all the cryptos so far, especially leading up to the end of this bull run here. So hopefully we can see us break this resistance line and continue this kind of ascending wedge pattern and break through that. We have plenty of room on the RSI. All I got for you today on Chainlink. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.